Hello and welcome to a demonstration of MediaPulse. In the next few minutes, we will go over how to add extra fields to grid blocks in your MediaPulse documents to help you work more efficiently. Most of the fields you will need are available to be added to your documents with the layout editor if they are not already on the standard layouts. You can add even more fields with document customizations. In this example, we will make extra title fields available to be added to your media asset layout, and from those newly available fields, we will add the real number field to a layout. First, we will open Document Customizations from the System module. Let's search for Document ID 11032. Open the Document Customization and go to the Document Tables tab. Let's add a new row. For the table name, we will select Media Asset Titles. Enter a description. Now, go to the Overrides tab. Add a new row, and in the field type, we will select Override Standard Field. For the database column, let's select Title Number. And for the reference document fields, we will select All by clicking Ctrl-A. Save and close. For the next step, we will log into the Smart Client. Navigate to System, Layouts module. Open a Site Custom Layout for Document ID 11032. Go to the Titles tab and click on the Titles List block. Expand Media Asset Titles in the Layout tools on the right. Scroll down and expand Title, Number, Title. Note that the list here contains more fields. The Title, Number, Title fields are the fields we just made available in Document Customizations. Drag the real number field onto the list. Notice how it gets placed to the far right. Let's drag the field to the left so we don't have to scroll when we search. Save and close the layout. Now, let's go back to MediaPulse. Open a new media asset. Go to the Titles tab and add a new row. Add a title that has a real number field populated. For example, we will add title number 50 and save. As you can see, the information for this title has populated the real number field. This same trick we use to add an extra title field to the media asset document can be done on other documents when you need a more at-a-glance information than the current layout options are offering you. Other examples of embedding grid blocks where this trick will work are resources or media assets on the project document, resources on the group document, containers on the media asset document, linked work orders on the work order document, element titles on the media asset. For more tips and tricks on MediaPulse, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@zytexsystems.com.